Welcome everybody, this is the sculpting course by InBlender. In this part, I'm just going to show you the second workflow, and which is the second workflow, the multi-resolution. We're going to be going a little bit in depth and this one. So now we have this cube. For this one, we are not going to be using any kind of preset I have made, any tutorials. We're just going to be showing you how to use the multi-resolution in another scenario for some interesting looking results. I'm just going to add the Suzanne monkey and a plane, and this one I'm just going to show you how to use this in a closed simulation. So shift a tab and go to I'm just going to scale it a little bit more and right click subdivide, right click subdivide this a bit more. So we have this one more. I think my simulation can handle this. I'm not having that. My computer is not that much good, so I'm just going to use some not even fancy, just simple like a close simulation. I'm just going to be going here and adding cloth and restart this. It should be good. So now we have this. So this could be a nice base mesh to sculpt on. And instead of doing all the wrinkles by yourself, you could just go back and add another subdivision level and okay, like the close simulation. Just add this. Now we have even finer ones. So I think my computer can handle one more. Please work. So the close simulation can go like this. Just going to stop here. So now that whether the multi-resolution comes here, it comes in handy is instead of applying this close simulation thing in here is we should just go to add multi-resolution and subdivide this mesh one time. Even we can use subdivide it even one more time and add the wrinkles. Just go to sculpt mode and you can even use these nice details around here, add these details and stuff. We can even use the new cloth brush, which I'll be addressing in the brushes chapter in the YouTube tutorial. This could take some while. Yeah, my computer is stuck. This is some huge amount of details to work with. Now we can add this stuff around here. Let's wait till it's responding. Please don't crash. Okay, now we have this. So now we could just go ahead. The trick is if we go back with the subdivision and go back here, we have this. So we can texture as much as we want in here. So now we have this. If I shade it smooth, right click and smooth. We have this and go back with the simulation and we could just get the results that we want. Okay, what is happening? Okay, no. You get the point, I guess. Yeah, I should disable the report one. Yeah. Now we have this. We could always go back in our subdivision and texture this, or even make some little changes and add some finer details around here, like this. And if you go back in the subdivision, oh yeah, I have addressed this in the last tutorial. If you want a new geometry to add in the subdivision, it's a be a good idea to disable to delete the subdivision, the multi-res modifier, and add the multi-res back again. But now if we go to the viewport, now we can UV unwrap this. Go select everything, you can unwrap it in any way from top view, and you still get the fine details that you want on the closed simulation and everything that you want. You could just apply this closed simulation, just make the multi-resolution above the closed simulation, and I think we could apply this. Get out of edit mode, apply this. Now we go back, we have this nice details without the closed simulation. I hope So stay tuned for the third part of the Multirase chapter or episodes. I don't know, call what you want. Stay tuned. This course is going to be good for sculpting. Don't miss out on anything. Like, subscribe.